Hello everyone, my name is Ashutosh and today's video topic is negative effect of fast food. Fast food consumption can have profound negative effects on individual health, society and environment. In this detailed discussion, we have explored various dimensions of these detrimental impacts. First one is health implication. Health implication. Fast food is often criticized for its high level of unhealthy ingredients such as trans fats, saturated fats, sodium, and sugar. This component contribute to various health issues including obesity, carbohydrate, diabetes, and hypertension. This excessive intake of fast food has been linked to the increased risk of developing chronic condition leading to a public health crisis. Example is regular consumption of fast food high in trans fats and sodium in link to an increased risk of condition like obesity and hypertension. For intense a person consistently including a fast food meals might experience weight gain and elevated blood pressure, ultimately leading to a higher likelihood and cardiovascular problem. Second effect of fast food is obesity epidemics. Obesity epidemics is fast food is major contribution to the global obesity epidemics. The high calories and low nutrient contents of these meals combined with a large portion size encourage overeating and weight gain. This trend is particularly concerned as obesity is associated with the of health problem including but not limited to heart disease, stroke and certain type of cancer. Example of in many western countries the rise of fast food consumption parallels a sugar in obesity rates. For instance, the prevalence of fast food outlets in urban areas correlated with increased obesity rates, highlighting the role of this establishment in contributing the obesity epidemics. Third negative impact of fast food is impact of children. How the impact is fast food impact on children is children are specially vulnerable to the negative effects of fast food. The marketing strategy employed by fast food companies often target children promoting unhealthy eating habits from an early age. This can lead to long-term health issue and an increased likelihood to obesity and related condition in adulthood. The example of fast food impact on children is aggressive marketing strategy like offering toy with kids meals can influence children's food choice. For a child exposed to intensive fast food promotion may develop a preference of this option, setting the stage of lifelong habit to unhealthy eating. Fourth negative impact of fast food is nutrient deficiency. Fast food is notorious of being nutriently inadequate, meals are often low in essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Regular consumption of these nutrients poor food can lead of defensive negatively affecting overall health and well-being. Example is a typical fast food meal often lack of essential nutrients. For instance, a burger, fries, and soda may provide excessive calorie but insufficient vitamins and mineral, contributing on nutritional deficiency over time. Fifth negative impact of fast food is economic burden. How economic burden are effects of the fast food is the economic consequence of fast food related health problems are substantial. Increases healthcare cost for treating conditions like obesity and diabetes, place a burden of healthcare system and can result decreases productivity and economic growth. This creates cycle where the negative effect of fast food extend beyond individual health to impact society at large. The example of this, the economic impact of obesity related healthcare cost is explained in state and healthcare system. For example, a sugar in obesity related cases plays an increases financial burden on national health services, diverting resources from other essential health initiatives. Sixth negative impact of fast food is environmental effect. How fast food are impact on environment? The fast food industry also takes a tolls on the environment. The production of ingredients like beef contributes significant are of water pollution and greenhouse gas emission. Additionally, the excessive packaging used of fast food generate a large amount of waste further contribute of environment. The example of the how impact on environment is the beef industry major suppliers for fast food chain are associated with deforestation or instance of increased demand of beef contributes to clearing forests such as Amazon rainforest for cattle grazing degradation. The sixth impact of the fast food is society culture and ramifications. Fast food popularly has led to changes in social and culture norms around the food. Traditional healthier eating habits are often replaced by convenience, and the shift can erode culture, culinary practice, and contributes to a homoglobalized food culture that prioritize speed and accessibility over nutritional value of diversity. The example of this type of traditional diets are often replaced by fast food in unurbanized area. For example, the The global prevalence of fast food outlet can lead to a erosion of culture as individuals opt for convenient, standardized option over traditional local source made meals. The eighth negative impact of fast food is addiction of cravings. Fast food is designed to a addictive with a high level of salt, sugar and fats, triggering pleasure contents in the brain. They can lead to cravings and addiction like behaviors making difficult individuals to make healthier food choice and break free from cycle of fast food consumption. Example is high level of sugar and fats in fast food can lead to addictive behavior. For example, a person regularly consuming sugar drinks and high fats snacks may developing cravings making challenging to transition to a healthier diet. The nine negative effect of fast food is impact on mental health. How fast food are mentally how fast food are effect on mentally. There is growing body of research linking of fast food consumption mental and health issue. Diets high in processed and fast food have been associated with an increased risk of depression and other mental health disorder. The intercontains physicals and also mental health underscores to the importance and addressing diet and promoting overall well-being. The example of this effect is diet-rich processed foods are linked to mental health issue. For example, study may find association between frequent fast food consumption and increased rates of depression, emphasizing the intricate link between diets and mental well-being. The the 10 negative impact of fast food is accessibility and socio-economics disparities. Fast food is often more accessible and affordable than healthier alternative, particularly in lower economic communities. This contributes to socio-economics disparities and health, and individuals with limited financial resource may be more likely to rely to fast food, exacerbating existing health inequalities. Example of this, fast food often dominates low income neighborhoods. For example, a lack of affordable healthy alternatives in this area may force individuals with limited financial resources to rely heavily on easily accessible and inexpensive fast food option, preparing and healthier disparities. In conclusion, this is all the effect of fast food. In conclusion, the negative effect of fast food extend beyond of individual health concern. They permeate through society impact and environment economics and culture norms. Recognizing and addressing these multifactorial issues crucial for promoting healthier individuals and communities. This is all about the negative effects of fast food. Thank you.